Hello students, welcome to Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar channel. Students, if you are planning to book your exam in the month of September or you have already booked your exam in the month of September 2021, then this video is definitely for you guys. In this video, I'm going to give you the dates of pen and paper based IELTS exam, both academic and a journal training as per the official websites of IDP. Also the dates for the UKVI, life skills, everything. I will tell you the locations as well and the summarized what level of exam you can expect in the month of September. So if you're planning to book your exam, then please go through this video and see when you want to book your exam, what you can expect to have in exam. And for the detailed prediction videos that will be published on the channel one by one in the near future when the exams dates follow. So let's start our today's video. First we're gonna start with the pen and paper based IELTS academic exam. Guys, the location I have chosen is Jalandhar location. As you can see on the screen, this is the IDP IELTS India official website. So in September 2021 you have 4 exams in the month of September for the academic IELTS academic exam. So on your left side you have 4th of September, 11th of September, 16th of September and 25th of September. So you have 4 pen and paper based IELTS exam, and on the right hand side you can see from 1 to 30th they all are green. These are the computer based exams. So you can, if you are planning to book your computer based exam, because you get the results faster in this, so you can book anytime during the month of September. It's available every single day. Further, if we talk about the journal training exam, pen and paper based IELTS journal training exam, location again I have chosen Jalandhar. For the journal training you have 3 exams in the month of September 2021, that is 4th of September, 16th of September and 25th of September. So that's on the left hand side. If you look at the right hand side, it's an IELTS exam on the computer. Again, the dates are available every single day for the month of September 2021. So if you want to book your pen and paper based exam, then you have 3 dates for the GT. But if you want to have your exam computer delivered, then you have 30 days, a whole month of September. You can just book whenever you want, whichever date you are willing to do your exam on. Now the next one is the IELTS for UKVI academic. So IELTS for the UKVI, guys, you have 2 dates in the month of September, that is 4th of September and 25th of September. The location I have chosen is Chandigarh. So if you are from Bangalore, New Delhi, Mumbai, then you can choose your own location. Just go to the IDP IELTS official Indian website, that's IDP IELTS India, IELTSidpindia.com/registration. You can just go there and you can choose your location, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, and you can see when you have IELTS for UKVI's exam, academic and journal training, whichever you are planning to book. The location I have chosen is Chandigarh. So there is 2 exams for IELTS for UKVI academic. And IELTS for UKVI GT is exactly same as the academic. So both UKVI academic or journal training for Chandigarh location, you have 2 dates in the month of September, 4th September and 25th of September. And for the life skills A1, again the location I have chosen is Chandigarh location. You have 3 dates in the month of September, that is 2nd of September, 16th of September and 30th of September. Life skills A1 for Chandigarh location. And if you want to book your exam for the life skills B1, then for the Chandigarh location you have 3 days in the month of September, just same like life skills A1. So either it's A1 or B1. You have 3 dates as per the Chandigarh location, that is 2nd, 16th, 30th September 2021. So guys, let's talk about the what level of exam you can expect in the month of September. So in September, your first pen and paper based IELTS exam will be held on the 4th of September 2021. It's a Saturday on this day and you have a both academic and a journal training pen and paper based IELTS exam. And this exam will be easy. So your listening, reading will be easy on the 4th September 2021. Your second exam in the September month is going to held on 11th September 2021, pen and paper based. On this day, it's a Saturday again, and we have only IELTS academic exam on 11th September 2021. This exam will be easy to moderate. You can expect your listening to be easy and your reading to be little moderate on this day. Guys, one thing more, I'm sure now you guys are very much aware that there is only and only IDP, no more British Council. I'm sure you guys are very much aware about this now. Even for the computer delivered exams, guys, British Council computer delivered exams were available till 25th of July. Now we are in the August month, so no more even computer delivered exams by the British Council. So no more British Council in India, only and only IDP. So if I have not mentioned IDP or anything here, so it means it's an only and only IDP. So all the dates I have taken from the official website of IDP. All the life skill, UK, VI, pen and paper based, IELTS exam, GT, academic, locations, it's all IDP. So now you only have a one source to do your exams in India, and that is through the IDP. Okay, I'm mentioning this again, but I'm sure now you guys are very much aware about this and I don't need to say this again. Okay, let's move on. So further, the third exam in the month of September 2021 will be held on 16th September 2021. On this day, it's a Thursday, and we have a both academic and a journal training exam, and this exam for both academic and GT will be easy to moderate. Your listening will be easy to moderate, your reading can be moderate on the third exam in the month of September, pen and paper based IELTS. Further, moving on to the fourth exam in the month of September, which is the last exam for the September month, that is on 25th September 2021. It's a Saturday on this date, and we have both IELTS academic and a journal training exam, and it will be a moderate exam. So guys, we have total 4 exams in the month of September. 3 will be academic and GT together, and only 1 exam of IELTS academic. So 4 academic exam and 3 journal training exams. So overall total 4 exams in the month of September, and the last one is going to be held on 25th September 2021 on Saturday. Well, as I have mentioned before, that IELTS for UK VI for the September month, only and only IDP, obviously. We have 2 dates, 4th of September and 25th of September. These both dates are on Saturday, and this is for both UK VI academic and a journal training exam. Both have, so either it's AC or GT by UK VI. You have 2 dates, 4th, 25th. So on 4th you will have both UK VI AC and GT. Again on 25th September you will have both UK VI AC and GT, and this is as per the Chandigarh location, guys. And for the life skills in the month of September 2021, either it's a life skill A1 or it's life skills B1. Both of them have 3 dates, 2nd September, 16th September, 30th September, and all these 3 dates are on Thursdays. and these are as per the Chandigarh location. So you have 3 dates for the life skills. For A1 life skill, 2nd, 16th, 30th September. For the life skills B1, 2nd, 16th, 30th September. So all 3 dates for both of them. So guys, that's it for the video. So I hope you have your dates very much clear to you. So as per this video, whenever you are feeling ready, or whenever you are planning to book your exam in the September month, just do it. I just want to wish you best of luck for your examination. Take care of yourself, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and also please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar, as we will be publishing the detailed prediction one by one of this each exam on our channel. So do hit the bell icon so that you get a notification on your home page when we publish the videos. Thank you students. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.